Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the unique and healthy recipe for longevity. Thanks for always coming back to our channel. Today we am showing you how to make aloe vera gel. So I have this very healthy aloe vera plant and I've just harvested these fresh leaves. First you cut it into slices and then you are going to peel. So you cut it open just the way I'm doing it. Open it up gently. Good. Then you scrape out the gel into a bowl. Yes, scrape out the gel into a bowl this way. Good. Scrape it out gently. That is extraction actually. Extract it into the bowl. Yes, you can see the gel. You scrape all out into the bowl. You do that for all the slices of the aloe vera that you have cut. So after scraping, you take another slice, peel and scrape into the bowl. This recipe is very simple. It's something you can do at home easily. So no more buying of aloe vera gel. If you have the plant, then you can enjoy the gel. Scrape all the gel into this bowl as you are seeing in the video. Good. You scrape all the slices just the way you are seeing it. You don't need a blender, you don't need a grater, you just need your knife and a sieve. So you scrape all this way into the bowl. Yes, you can see some particles of aloe vera leaf, but don't bother about that. Your sieve is going to help you eliminate that. All right. So if you have done that, make sure you extract everything. Good. So depending on the quantity of aloe vera gel that you are expecting to have, you can do for few slices or you can make as much as possible, provided you have a way of preserving it in your fridge. You can refrigerate it for as long as you want to use it. So you can extract more or less depending on your plan. So you can see that it has been extracted into the bowl. It has been extracted into the bowl. So you are going to get your filter or sieve. Alright, so you get a sieve like this and pour the gel right into the sieve gently. Good. You can see it's already dropping. So you tighten the sieve and press. Just apply pressure on the sieve and you have your gel out and ready for use. Good. So you continue to apply pressure. You continue to press. So press it, get all the gel out. Continue to apply pressure until you have all the gel out. Very good. Once you have all the gel out, then it is ready for use. You can actually refrigerate it to make it stay longer, or if the quantity is small that you can finish within few days, it's still fine. So you are going to pour it into a container. Pour it into a container where you can preserve it. So just get a container and pour it in there. Your aloe vera gel is ready for use, and very, very potent because it's not processed, it's not diluted with anything. Pure natural aloe vera gel. So that is it for today. God bless you. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like my video and share with your friends. Thanks, God bless you, and bye bye. See you in my next video.